Dun 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 dun. Oh my god. I did it now. I was gonna. Ow. I was already down. Why would he throw a rock at someone? Dun dun dun. Done. Finally, I won the war. District 5 won the war. This is amazing, everyone. Previously at the hospital. It looks like she's not going to live today. Beep, beep, beep. Uh-oh, she stopped beeping. It stopped beeping. Don't die on us, little beeping thingy. No. Beep. She's dead. Oh, no. I won the war. That is great. You won the war, but I have something to say. Tell me. You can tell me anything. Your friend is dead. What friend? Right here, Chippa Chappa. No, I'm just kidding. I'm not British. Okay. You can take time with her. I'll leave you alone. Don't die on me. No, Casey. The funeral's tomorrow at 5 in the morning. If you just want to know. She can't. So I'm going to have to move the body. Okay. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. How did she die? It wasn't actually her leg. It was her heart that got hit. You know, I actually feel better. Nope, no, I'm not. Dun, 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 dun. Why? To be continued.